Sapien is the most agile, fluid-walking female robot yet. She reacts to sight, sound and touch and has a number of her own responses. She can swivel her hips and twist her waist. She walks forwards and backwards at differing speeds, steps sideways and turns on the spot. She can even lean on one foot. She has posable legs, arms, head and waist. She can detect when music is playing and shimmy along to any song. If you wanna know if he loves you so, it's in his kiss. She detects when you are talking to her and responds. Hi Sapien. So how are you feeling after that crazy party last night? So are you going to say hi to the nice viewers? Well, I think they like you. Change the tilt of Sapien's head to access her 3 modes. In attentive mode, Sapien interacts with you or other WowE robots through sound, sight and touch. She can explore her surroundings and avoid obstacles. In learning mode, program a routine of up to 40 body movements. She can even remember the speed of the actions. In responsive mode, control how Sapien walks, dances and moves her legs. She will play back program routines and other interactive actions. Sapien has responsive joystick hands instead of a remote control. By using one or both of her hands for control, access up to 48 different user actions. With fluid walking motion, learning capabilities and interaction, Sapien is a dynamic and sophisticated 21st century robot. She will be your favourite muse and your best friend.